3.5 billion humans menstruate every month. All of them are seeking comfortable, easy to use, smart menstrual product solutions that help them forget they're on their period. Many are seeking environmentally friendlier products as opposed to disposable single-use pads and tampons. In the US alone, annually, over 20 billion tons of menstrual waste end up in landfills. These plastic-based products take upwards of 200 to 800 years to decompose. The Bfree cup is a multi-targeted, innovative solution. It's the world's only physically antibacterial menstrual cup, made of the highest quality medical-grade silicones. It contains no additional chemicals or microbicides. Unlike all other menstrual cups, the Bfree cup does not require boiling between menstrual periods for cleaning. In fact, it doesn't need water to wash it at all. You just have to wipe it clean. The Bfree cup was innovated in collaboration with physicists, material scientists, and redesigned with the help of mechanical engineers to make it leak-proof and user-friendly. A testimonial from an American Bfree cup user. This cup leaves all others in the dust. The design and material are superb, and these combined with no need to boil make Bfree the perfect cup, no exaggeration. The global feminine hygiene products market size is projected to grow to $27.8 billion by 2027 at a rate of growth of 5.4%. The global menstrual cup market is projected to rise at a rate of 5.5% between 2021 and 2026, reaching a value of $980.4 million by 2026. 48% of growth is estimated to originate from the North American market. An increasing female population, rapid urbanization, improved female literacy and awareness of menstrual health and hygiene, rising disposable income of females, and women's empowerment are expected to accelerate the growth of the feminine hygiene products market across the globe. Our sales to date are around 500,000 in the 2 years we've been on the market. We have raised 650,000 through winning grants and competitions. Our net margin is around 65 to 70% from B2C and 30% B2B. We are increasing our Bfree branded innovative products. We will once again differentiate ourselves, continuing to do so from the competition by using evidence-based innovative materials, designs, and processes.